This video will show you how to do confidence interval estimate for mean of a population using R Commander. In this example, there's a sample size 10, weight measure in pounds. So first thing we need to do is enter these 10 pieces of data into R Commander. First of all, we have to enter these 10 pieces of data. To do so, click on Data in R Commander, select New Data Set, and then give the data set a name. I just use a default name data set and click OK. And you have this data editor. So there are 10 pieces of data. So I'm going to click on Add Row. So I'm going to add 10 rows. And then first column, of course, will be the weight data. So I'm going to type in name of the variable and start from each cell, typing the data. After I finish all the data, I click OK, and I can click View Data Set to see the data that I enter and see if everything is correct. So once you check the data and everything's okay, to get confidence interval, you click Statistic, Means, and one sample t-test. This option will give you the result from testing one mean using t-test and also confidence interval. So I only have one variable. That variable is selected, and leave this mean not equal to mu0 as alternative hypothesis, and null hypothesis value mu is 0. Leave it the same thing. If you need to use a different confidence level, you can change it here. Now the default value is 0.95, that's 95%. So to get confidence interval, just click OK. In the output window, you will see 95% confidence interval, and this will be lower bound, this will be upper bound of the 95% confidence interval. The R Commander output also gives you the average for the sample size 10. Now if 67.0862 and 92.8738 are the lower bound and upper bound for the confidence interval, and this mean will be the midpoint. So confidence interval can be written in terms of interval using these two numbers, or using sample mean as the point estimate plus or minus margin of error. The margin of error will be the difference between any of the endpoint to the mean. So you can find a difference of 92.87 and 79.98 to get the confidence interval estimate for mean. So the answer to this, the confidence interval is this, or the mean 79.98 plus or minus margin of error. Again, this margin of error is the difference between any of these two endpoints to the mean. The mean will be the midpoint of this interval. And if you wish to check normality assumption for this confidence interval, you can run statistic, summary, and Shapiro-Wilk test for normality. We only have that one variable there, so just click OK, and you see you have a p-value of 0.4, that is greater than 0.05. So normality assumption is all right.